From one user gambling his money on meme stocks to another losing all her life savings while being in college, we are going to go over WallStreetBets' ruthless recession trades. Poker Putin is a user who, like many before him, thought he could outsmart the market. He's a 27-year-old IT professional who makes a comfortable living. Thanks to his steady income and lack of interest in luxury purchases, he was able to save a decent amount of money to start his investing journey. However, his index funds felt like meaningless numbers on a screen to him, and he couldn't resist the urge to gamble that money instead. His journey began with $60,000, and he was ready to take on Wall Street with meme stocks and options. At first, things were looking good. His portfolio climbed to $72,000 as he played around with Lunar and other meme stocks, even managing to make some money on SPY puts. But he made a fatal mistake by reinvesting that money into Lunar as things took a turn for the worse. His $72,000 plummeted to just $30,000. This setback wasn't going to stop his trading journey though, as he jumped back in, investing his remaining $30,000 into SPY puts and hoping to get lucky again. Fortunately, luck was on his side, and his $30K skyrocketed to $50K, increasing his funds for gambling. However, his most legendary trade was yet to come. He went all in on SPY puts again, with $50K at stake. Unfortunately, this marked the end of his lucky streak, as his investment was absolutely devastated by losses, leaving just $2,700 in his portfolio. Yet, he still didn't learn his lesson from this brutal trade. As he puts it, "I will probably just keep buying SPY shares until it angers me. That MicroStrategy pumps, and then I'll port it 100% into puts." ViraliaTube is a college student who lost 2 years' worth of hard-earned money within a week by gambling it on risky trades. Her trading journey started all the way back in October 2024 with just one trade a week on SPY calls, and by January 2025, she was up $5K on her $15K investment. She wanted to quit her gambling addiction from day one, but after her first gain, she started thinking, "Wow, I'm really good at this." Anyways, she went from being really good to really bad at this real quick, as she instantly started losing money on SPY calls. She doubled down on her losses, causing her to lose even more money, and by the end of February, she was down a whopping $10,000. After this disaster, she had $15,000 remaining in her savings, and instead of holding on to it, she made an educated gamble on how SPY would react to some upcoming news. At first, this seemed to work. Her $15,000 turned into $20,000 within minutes, but greed left her wanting more. The market immediately corrected itself, and she lost almost everything, enduring a loss of 89%. She doesn't know what to do now and asks for a 10x bagger she can use to break even. But at least she might start earning well, as she comments, "I am interning somewhere this summer, and if all goes well, I should be making $150K per year as a new grad developer."